So welcome to this video. It's Anise, the Boss Ladypreneur, coming at you with another banger, another video about audience insights, an update for you regarding the Precise Magnetic. Yes, it's a tool that will save you time. So let's get this video started. Alright, so let's go. We're in Audience Insights on Facebook in your Campaign Manager. So we're going to activate the Precise Magnetic tool. So we press right here. Once you've installed it from Google, just search Precise Magnetic. I will put the link down below in the description. But once you've got it uploaded and you've come to your Audience Insights, in your Campaign Manager, we are going to select Show Tools. So I have already entered in cats as our search word, or let's do pets. Let's switch it up. So pets, you can choose your country of choice. I've chosen the US because it's the biggest audience, as we know, or one of the biggest audiences available within e-commerce or sales or advertising. So you can change your age range. I've just left it wide open because when you start your campaigns, what you're wanting to do is get as much data so that you can then test, and from that data and that initial test you can start to hone in on your age brackets and do further targeting. So I've got all genders, limit the results. You can put 20 or you can go right up to 500. So let's search pets as our keyword. So it will give you the number of interests. So clearly here are all your audiences that you could select and look at. So obviously PetSmart, let's just select that, and what's going to happen is as you select each of these audiences, you're going to get a list of pages that those people within that audience most likely follow, are interested in. You can rank them, you can see how overlapped each audience is, and also the affinity score. So if you don't know anything about the affinity score, it tells you how highly related that page is to that targeted audience that you're trying to hone in on and market to. So as you can see, if we just have a look down here, we can see all of the different pet pages and audiences that you could target. So effectively you select one, it will then populate in this list here. You can then add them, and when you add them it will be exported to a table. Then it will show you the rank, the page, the audience, the overlap, and the affinity score. You can export that table out of the Precise Magnet tool and save it, or you can put it on a clipboard so you can paste it into your next campaign when you create your next advert. So this is a really great tool. It shows you all of the audiences. You may be into skulls, you may have a skull page, see Skull Candy, that is obviously earphones, not the ideal, but Sugar Skull, really massive audiences, a lot of information, Skull and Bones, Old Skull, obsessed with skulls. So really good tool that will just home straight in and extract the information for you. You can then move it over here, rank it, have a look at the overlap, the affinity in relation to each of these audiences. You can then have a look at the select audience, as I said, export it or paste it, copy and paste it into your next campaign. So this tool is amazing. It will help you speed up your campaigns. It will minimize any of the variation. As I said, it has an affinity score, and it is just going to help you capture those very targeted audiences that you need to build out your campaigns, target the correct people, and make that money online. Selling an e-com, maybe you are actually running your own agency. Again, Facebook ads, a great platform. Of course, you have to have a budget in order to run these ads, but if you are running an agency, you will not be spending your own hard-earned cash. You should be spending. So with that being said, as you can see, this tool, Precise Magnetic, is going to expedite your campaign management. It's going to speed up your ability to create campaigns, sell on Facebook, whether it be e-com, whether it be you're working as an agent and you've got your own agency, or you have clients that you are just working for and doing Facebook social media management. So like I say, a quick recap: you enter your keyword, you then enter the country you're choosing to target, the minimum age, the age range right there, the gender, how many interests you want to capture. Press the search button, it will populate here. Select the audience that you want to check out. It will then give you the rank, the audience, the overlap between those audiences, and the affinity score. Once you select the audience that you want to capture for your next campaign, you then select the selected audience option right there. It will bring up this table of all selected audiences. You can then export that information or copy and paste to your clipboard to utilize ASAP and create your campaigns, hyper targeted campaigns to sell and to target audiences of your choice on Facebook. So I'll close that one down. As I say, the link will be in the description for you to download this app yourself and install it on your PC, and then you will be rocking. Additionally, if you like this video, make a comment down below if you did. Also smash that like thumbs button, smash the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be updated when I post my next weekly video. Again, it was Ines, the Boss Lady Entrepreneur. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get it.